Okay, so we are now going out. Of course, this is the front of my house. Just we drive in. Okay, guys, we are now going to pick up my sister. So off we go. Just making sure the now, guys, we are here at my sister's place, and this is her running. So this is her. Say hi.
Hi, vlog.
Okay, off we go. I have her now, so just gonna go to Ikea. How do you exit from here? You go back.
We're gonna go for Ikea Date and Editor first. We're gonna go to Ikea Date and more dates together. Tapos, my work is just you have to turn right and then straight. That's cool. 5 minutes away. That's good. And even if you walk, I think you have to bus stop too. But anyways, guys, we're gonna go Ikea. We're all going to Ikea. Just because we are bored. Well, I'm bored. And my sister is off, and I'm off, and I'm alone at home, so of course, it's my sister that I have to go with. Anyway, this is my sister.
So we are now in Ikea. We're just gonna enter the exit part. Just enter here. Here, this is $1 here. How much is that? Really? No, I want. Oh. How you open it? Oh, how? Oh. No, you go get the cart. I wanted to get this one so I can put in the visitors room. We're still finding things. We don't know. Her's looking around. And we are now almost done. So far we just got containers and a trash can. Almost home. Christmas decors now. 28? Yeah, we are gonna go to aisle 28.
We are now paying. So we got a table for my receiving room. How are you? This is waiting here. Do the front? Yeah, we'll do the self checkout instead.
So guys, we are now done and we are now going home. It's night already. It was a little bit light when we were coming here, but now it's nighttime already, so we're gonna go visit our parents, our motherland, and then I will drop off her